Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a giveaway, but first I want to show you this really cute gnome I made. I do have a tutorial video on it. It's super easy, so cheap, so easy, and they're so cute. And you don't have to do Christmas themed gnomes. You can do gnomes all year round, summer, Eastern, Valentine's Day. Right around the corner. All right, so this giveaway is for my US subscribers. Please only apply if you live within the United States because shipping internationally is a lot. So the rules are the same. Somewhere in the video, I'm going to ask you a question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. The winners for the previous two videos have been selected, and I've already messaged them. So their stuff should be on the way. I always put the winner's name in the comments and then pin it so you can find it on the very top. So in this giveaway, we do have a few Christmas stuff and a few of the other stuff that I have duplicates. This is 3 snowflake-ish kind of die. So there's 3 dies in one of that circle. These llamas are so adorable. It's time to get ugly. It's like the ugly Christmas sweater llamas. So cute. I love them. And this beautiful what is that? Oh my gosh, spacing out. What is that animal called? That animal. It is absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite dies actually. Okay, my question is, does it snow where you live? I live in California, Orange County. It does not snow. It does snow in Big Bear. However, driving there is very scary. So that's the question. Super easy. All you have to do is comment down below, and that is how the random YouTube picker picks someone out. Thank you so much for playing, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I'm still gonna do giveaways with Christmas stuff coming soon.